Criminal Passage Number 2 Start. Naseem Akhtar, Sub-Inspector, Prosecution Witness PW, after recording statement of the complainant, sent the same through Ali Sher 69/C to the police station for registration of formal FIR. He then inspected the dead body of Muhammad Asif, deceased, prepared injury statement XPC and inquest report XPD. He handed over the dead body to Ghulam Rasool 251C PW1 for escorting the same to the mortuary for post-mortem examination. He inspected the place of occurrence, secured the blood-stained earth, made it into sealed parcel and secured the same through memo XCW3-A attested by the witnesses. He also secured two crime empties of Barabor P9/1-2, made them into sealed parcel and secured through memo XCW3-B attested by the PWOs. He also secured two crime empties of 30 bore P-10/1-2 made into sealed parcel and secured through memo XCW3-C attested by the PWOs. He also recovered BUGDA P-11 and secured the same through recovery memo XCW 3/D attested by the PWOs. He also prepared rough site plan of place of occurrence XPJ. He then proceeded to DHQ Hospital Sahiwal, where Saddam Hussein, injured, stood admitted in the emergency. He prepared his injury statement XPK and handed over the same to Ali Sher 69/C to get Saddam Hussein medically examined. After his medical examination, Ali Sher 69/C produced blood-stained clothes of Saddam Hussein, including shalwar P6, shirt P7, and safa P8, along with MLC number 17, which he secured through memo XCW1/A, attested by the PWOs. He handed over the case property to the Muharrar for safe custody in the Malkhana. He conducted raids at the residences of the accused persons, but they could not be arrested. On 26/9/2008, Ghulam Rasool 251/C, after post-mortem examination of Muhammad Asif, deceased, produced before him last worn clothes of the deceased, including shirt P-1, shalwar P-2, along with a sealed Pihal P-3, which he secured through memo XPA, attested by the PWOs. Ghulam Rasool 251/C also produced before him post-mortem report and other police papers. He handed over the above-mentioned articles to Muharrar of police station on 17/10/2008 while on being patrolling duty on spy information. He arrested Sadi Ahmad and Abdul Qayyum, accused persons from Ada 50/GD. On 18/10/2008, he obtained their physical remand. On 21/10/2008, Abdul Qayyum, appellant, made a disclosure and got recovered pistol 30 bore P4 from his residential house, which the investigation officer made into sealed parcel and secured through recovery memo XPG attested by PWOs. On the same day, accused also made disclosure and led to the recovery of pistol Barabor P-5 from his residential house, which the investigation officer made into sealed parcel and secured through recovery memo XPH attested by the PWOs. He also prepared respective rough site plans of places of recoveries XPG-1 and XPH-1. He deposited the case property with Maharar for safe custody and also registered separate cases against the appellant and his co-accused under section 13 of the Arms Ordinance 1965. Full stop and close.